SKYVVA's free data loader for Salesforce. SKYVVA's free data loader provides an efficient and easy-to-use solution for importing and exporting data to and from Salesforce, without the need for programming skills. Using SKYVVA's cloud-based technology, users can easily import and export data in various formats such as CSV, XML, JSON, or Excel directly into Salesforce. For flexible data loading, it supports flat or hierarchical CSV files. An intuitive graphical drag-and-drop editor allows you to connect source and target fields for easy data mapping. This free, Salesforce-integrated data loader maintains the familiar look and feel of Salesforce. Key features: no need for local software installation. Available for free download from the Salesforce App Exchange. Support for both standard and custom Salesforce objects. Ideal for manual import of data from external sources into Salesforce. No programming is required to configure your use case. There's no need to make an investment or request funding. Upload more than one object in a single step. Take advantage of our powerful formula editor to create data transformations. End-to-end monitoring, alerting, and reprocessing of data. Provides detailed logs and easy correction of incorrect records. After successful modification of the erroneous record, you do not need to re-import the data, as this is done by reprocessing. Bulk processing for large amounts of data. It is a great alternative to other data migration services or ETL tools. No monthly operation limits. Optional scheduler to import and export data on a regular basis. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.